Yes, you can pin Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. There are a few things you need to do first to ensure you are following their guidelines. They are super simple, and it will be a great way to earn money on Pinterest. Basically, you can pin an image on Pinterest with the link, but no one else can go to your site and pin that pin. Repins are okay from the original pin. For video, we are talking about links on your website and static pins. To see how to add Amazon affiliate links to idea pins. How to pin Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. First, obviously, you have to have an associate account already set up to pin Amazon affiliate links. Then I suggest creating a unique tracking number for Pinterest pins for each pin. Google tracking IDs for how to do that. It's super simple. How to pin Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. Create a post or page with Amazon products. You can use Amazon product photos on your site but not Pinterest. Upload a photo of your own on your website that relates or shows the product and add no pin attribute. Pin that image and that image alone to Pinterest and paste the affiliate link in the link box, generating affiliate links on Amazon. To generate affiliate links, you need to be approved for the Amazon Associates program. Once you are approved, you can log into Amazon and find your affiliate link in the new gray bar at the top of the page. You can then promote any product and earn commissions by adding your affiliate link to the product URL. Creating Pinterest pins with Canva. To promote your affiliate links on Pinterest, you need to create visually appealing content related to the products you are promoting. Canva is a great tool to create Pinterest pins. You can use the search bar to find Pinterest pins related to your niche and edit them accordingly. You can download the pins as PNG files and upload them to your Pinterest board. Promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Once you have created your Pinterest pins with affiliate links, you can upload them to your Pinterest board. To do so, you need to click on the pin icon on your Pinterest profile and add your pin with a title and description. You can then add your affiliate link as the destination link and post it on your Pinterest board with a unique description and relevant hashtags. Impact on affiliate marketing industry. Integrating affiliate marketing with social media platforms like Pinterest can be a game changer in the affiliate marketing industry. With its visually engaging content, Pinterest has become an ideal platform for affiliate marketers to promote their links and earn commissions. Pinterest allows affiliate marketers to reach a wider audience and create brand awareness among potential customers. How to find what people are looking for on Pinterest. Now, before creating an affiliate pin for an article or landing page, find the right keywords. Keywords that are being searched by Pinterest audience related to your topic. The easiest way of doing that is by looking at the suggestions Pinterest gives when you type in a keyword into its search bar. The list of suggestions indicates what Pinterest users are putting in that search bar. Use these keywords in your pin's content to drive traffic to it. How to optimize a pin for Amazon affiliate articles. First things first, when creating a pin, it helps to have an eye-catching image that stands out from all of the other content on Pinterest and will draw in viewers. Images should be attractive and include vibrant colors that catch someone's eye right away. Make sure any text is large enough to read and easy to see. After all, people are scrolling quickly. When adding your description text, make sure it's concise yet captivating so it gives readers a taste of what they could get with just one click. Add keywords to your headline and description to ensure your pin appears in relevant searches and add hashtags for even more visibility. How to create pins for Amazon affiliate articles. Use a free tool like Canva to create eye-catching Pinterest pins with a simple drag-and-drop action. You don't even have to create a pin from scratch. Canva already has pre-designed templates that you can use as a starting point. Now that you know how to create a converting pin, let's talk about how you can craft a converting landing page. How to create a converting landing page or affiliate review page. Now, the landing page could be an article that talks about an affiliate product. If it's an article you want to bring traffic to, here are a few copywriting tips on converting visitors. First and foremost, it's important to clearly identify the audience that you're writing for. Think about their needs, interests, or pain points so that you can tailor your writing accordingly. It's also important to structure your copy in a way that guides the reader from one point to another without overwhelming them with too much information at once. Keep it concise and make sure each paragraph has its own focus and purpose. When crafting headlines, think of words that will grab the attention of your readership and make sure they accurately reflect what the content is about. Amazon affiliate marketing on Pinterest, FAQs. Can you put Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest? Yes, you can put Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. But you have to list your channel on your Amazon Associates account, as Amazon tracks the sources you generate sales from. Pinterest, as of now, has no limitations on using affiliate links on the platform. Is affiliate marketing allowed on Pinterest? Yes, affiliate marketing is allowed on Pinterest. If you're an Amazon affiliate, you can promote e-commerce products in two ways: by directing promoting affiliate links, and by promoting affiliate articles. The second method is recommended. How to promote Amazon affiliate products on Pinterest without a blog. You can promote Amazon affiliate products on Pinterest without a blog by using a landing page builder like System.io. Alternatively, you can promote your products directly on the platform, although that's not recommended. Best practices and tips for Pinterest affiliate marketing with Amazon. 1. Focus on your niche. It's important to have a clear niche or target audience in mind when promoting Amazon products on Pinterest. This will help you tailor your content to their interests and needs, increasing the chances of conversions. 2. Be authentic. Pinterest users appreciate authenticity and value. Avoid being overly promotional in your pins and instead focus on providing helpful, informative content. Your audience will trust your recommendations more if they see that you genuinely believe in the products you're promoting. 3. Leverage seasonal trends. Stay up to date with seasonal trends and holidays to create timely content that resonates with your audience. This can help boost your engagement and increase conversions. 4. Test different pin formats. Pinterest offers a variety of pin formats, including standard, carousel, and video pins. Experiment with different formats to see what works best for your audience and drives the most conversions. 5. Engage with your audience. Don't just focus on promoting products. Take the time to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and foster a sense of community. This will help build trust and loyalty among your followers. 6. Use affiliate disclosures. It's essential to comply with legal requirements and disclose that your pins contain affiliate links. This helps build trust with your audience and ensures transparency. 7. Stay up to date with Pinterest guidelines. Pinterest frequently updates its guidelines and policies. Stay informed and make sure your pins and boards comply with their rules to avoid any issues or penalties. By implementing these best practices and tips, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your affiliate marketing success on Pinterest with Amazon. Keep experimenting.